Different footage from the same random Tuesday. This was the first time I was filming. Here we go again. We are in the DABA kitchen. I have a chicken and a meatball on board. Throwing vegetables into pears and prunes and carrots. Took a little bit longer. These are the greens that are going to go pretty fast. I spilled a little bit. Throw that out. I'm wandering around a little bit because I'm not focused. And shake the meatballs. You guys are ready to come out. I watch myself doing this and I am slow. It's Tuesday. Oh, I'm going for mashed potatoes up top. Nope, they're on the grill because you never put them where they belong. Mix them up. Go over to the plate. One. Here's the part where I can go a little bit slow so I don't make a mess. But everything in between should be faster. Get rid of the spoon. Put it away. Alright. And on the plate. Sauce for the balls. Classic brown sauce. Saute some onions, carrots, get some soy, heavy cream. Pretty freaking good. A classic red wine reduction with some thyme and cognac to flavor. Good with the chicken. And chicken breast. Johnny's going for the salad I see in the corner of my eye. Put those balls on there. A little hot. Here comes the salad. Boom. Get that garbage out of there. The window. And finishing touch. Two of my fastest dishes, real slow. Oh, this is really good exercise for me because it should be gone much faster than that. Thank you, Rebecca. I hope they enjoy. Yep.